Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 3. Let's see our today's topic. It is Unit 5. Reading, word meaning, make sentence and true false. Dear learners, I am telling you again, our today's topic is Unit 5, reading, word meaning, make sentence and true false. So look, this is our lecture number 11 and homework number 9. Dear students, if you open your buzzword book, page number 47 of your buzzword book, page number 47, you will easily get our today's title is topic is Unit 5. It is Rikki Tikki Tavi, interesting lesson. Unit 5, page number 48 to 49 and 49, then 50 also, Rikki Tikki Tavi. So let's start with the reading. Here also written Unit 5, Rikki Tikki Tavi. Rikki Tikki Tavi is a short story in The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, an Indian writer. It tells the story of a little mongoose and how he came to be adopted as a pet by a British family staying in India. This is the title. Okay, this is the beginning of the story. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a mongoose. Teddy and his mother found him in the middle of their garden. He was very wet from the rain. Let's take him in and dry him, said mother. Mother is telling let's take him in and dry him. Okay, next. They took him into the house. Father rolled him up in cotton wool to keep him warm. After some time, Rikki Tikki opened his eyes and sneezed. Don't frighten him, said father. But a mongoose is never frightened. When Rikki Tikki woke up, he first tried to eat the cotton wool he was wrapped in. Then he ran all round the table. After he had cleaned his fur and scratched himself, he jumped onto Teddy's shoulder. So dear learners, in these connections you will look at a picture. So look here. Here we see Rikki Tikki Tavi jumped onto Teddy's shoulder. Look here. Teddy's shoulder. Don't be frightened, Teddy, said father. He is just trying to make friends. Ouch. He is tickling my chin, said Teddy. Rikki Tikki looked down Teddy's shirt, sniffed his ear and climbed down to the floor. He sat there and rubbed his nose. How friendly he is, said mother. Father gave him 2 bananas and Rikki Tikki liked them very much. Then he went out and sat in the sun and dried his fur. He felt much better. Now we will go to next page. Page number 50. There are lots of things to see in his house. He said to himself, I must stay here and find out all about everything. So in this connection, you will look at a picture. So look here. It is seen from a far distance. All day he roamed around the house. He fell into the bathtub and had troubles getting out. He put his nose into a bottle of ink. He climbed into father's lap to see what he was writing. At night, he went into Teddy's room and saw how the kerosene lamp were filled and lighted. When Teddy went to bed, Rikki Tikki got into bed with him, but he was restless and did not sleep. Whenever he heard a noise, he would get down from the bed and go and see what it was. In the morning, he went out into the large garden. There were many trees and bushes and lots of high trees. Rikki Tikki was very happy. He ran through the long grass calling Rikki Tikki, Tikki, tick, tick. Okay, Rudyard Kipling, it is written. Now dear learners, next our word meaning. So look, only 3 word meaning, and this word meaning will be your homework. This is our 9th number homework. I am telling this is our 9th number homework. And so look at there are 3 word meaning. First one is sniffed. Sniffed means smelled. Next, roamed around, moved about. Third one is restless. It is unable to be still or relax. Okay, we have read here word meaning. You will memorize this and you will do your homework. Next, make sentence. So look, only two make sentence. Number one, friendly. Rikki Tikki was very friendly. And number two, frightened. The mongoose is never frightened. Look at the word frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Frightened. Okay, our last segment. This is true false. Number one, Rikki Tikki was found in the middle of the forest. Answer is false. From the book we have learned, Rikki Tikki was found in the middle of the garden. That means this one is false. First one is false. Okay. Rikki Tikki was found in the middle of the forest. False. Number two, Rikki Tikki tried to eat the cotton wool. Yes. At the very beginning, we have seen Rikki Tikki tried to eat the cotton wool. That means 2 number is true. Only 2 true false are given here or are written here. Dear learners, look, our last segment is homework. It is word meaning. I have already told you this is our 9th number homework, and word meaning only 3 word meaning: sniffed, roamed around, and restless. Dear students, I hope that all of my students of day shift and morning shift have understood Unit 5 Rikki Tikki Tavi, interesting lesson. And after finishing our reading session, we have learned word meaning, make sentence, and true false. And in your word meaning section, you have a homework. Dear learners, please keep reading the text again and again. Then you will do your homework properly and try to memorize word meaning, make sentence, and true false. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.